Is your iPhone not letting apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Telegram use your camera? Or maybe the option to enable camera access isn't even showing up. No worries, I'm here to help you out. In today's video, I'll walk you through some super easy and effective fixes for the Allow Camera Access issue. Let's jump right in and get this sorted. Solution 1. Turn off screen time on your device. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Now, enable the camera from this section. Or for that, go back and turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 2. Check App Permissions. Start by opening the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and find the camera option. And make sure all the necessary permissions are enabled. Next, open the Settings app once again. Scroll down and tap on the app that's having the issue. Now, scroll down and find the app you're having trouble with. Tap on the app, then check if the camera option is listed. Make sure the camera toggle is turned on. If you don't see the camera option here, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, tap Download and Install. After that, let your iPhone update and then check if the camera access issue has been fixed. Solution 4. Reinstall the app. If the issue only affects a specific app, go ahead and delete that app. Then head over to the App Store and reinstall the app. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Now keep in mind that this will reset your settings but won't erase your data. Once it's done, the issue should be gone. And that's it! Those are the ways you can fix the Allow Camera Access not working or not showing up on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have got any questions or need further help, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you in the next video.